Dr. Anthony Fauci is the most influential medical expert in United States history. He has a medical career that has expanded over half a century and has advised 6 presidents as the head of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. Most recently, he has been in the spotlight for providing a voice of reason in these unprecedented times. Today and over the course of the pandemic, Dr. Fauci has been informing the nation as the top official of the United States coronavirus response. What stands out about Dr. Fauci is his ability to translate complex and hard to understand subjects to the American people. He also stands out as a form of symbolism. As the pandemic rages and fear runs high, an influx of erroneous, wrong, and misleading claims have been present throughout the pandemic. Dr. Fauci stands and says everything based on facts, setting the record straight when false information is spread. This is important in this time. Dr. Fauci has also stood out as a voice of science for decades, advising presidents about major health crises. We need to recognize that Dr. Fauci has been in the game for a long time. George H.W. Bush even called him a hero almost 3 decades ago. Later, George Bush gave Dr. Fauci the highest civilian honor and awarded him the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Dr. Fauci was born in Brooklyn to a lower-class Italian immigrant family. He fell in love with helping people through medicine by helping his father at a pharmacy. He made himself into a successful person by attending many colleges and working his way up. Dr. Fauci has dedicated his life to immunology, finishing top of his class at Cornell Medical School. Then went to the NIH to fulfill a military service for Vietnam. From there, he worked his way up and did it through hard work, doing 7 days a week, 15-hour shifts. He said in an interview that he tries to get at least 5 hours of sleep. He has done a lot to show for his work. He became interested in an unnamed disease that killed otherwise healthy people. This would later be identified as HIV/AIDS, which he helped figure out. He has spent a good portion of his career dealing with it. Through his years with the disease, he has helped debunk the myth that it only affects gay people. He has helped develop effective treatments. His crowning achievement with the disease was his ability to convince then-President George Bush to fund a worldwide program called PrEPFAR, a program which has been estimated to have saved 18 million people and has helped curb the spread of HIV/AIDS. Across the globe, and has helped people across the globe. AIDS has been a big focus for him, but he has also dealt with other diseases. Dr. Fauci has dedicated his life to saving Americans. Throughout his entire career, he has stopped many diseases from spreading in the United States and has avoided many outbreaks. Dr. Fauci, in 2003, he recognized SARS early and advised the president to take immediate action, preventing a possible epidemic. In 2009, with H1N1, he also did the same thing. In 2014, with Ebola, which he personally treated many of the patients. And today, with COVID-19. It is impossible to know how many lives he saved, but it's likely in the millions. He has also been defending America from bioterrorism, making him an American hero. Dr. Fauci today is in the spotlight more than ever, but now he's just doing the same job he has done over the past 5 decades, advising the president and doing whatever he thinks is best for the American people based on the facts and based on the trend of the disease. Because of this, America is a lot safer, and America is a lot more informed because of it. Whether people take his advice is a different question. Heeding to his advice has always worked out for us, and I think America is better off because of him. In this day and age, facts are becoming scarcer and scarcer. Voices of reason are also becoming very scarce. So in this time and all times, facts are very important. And Dr. Fauci stands as that voice. A voice of reason, a voice of science, and a voice of logic. Because of this, Americans are much safer, and countless lives have been saved. Behind all the political bickering and partisan ideals, Dr. Fauci has been there, providing the facts, not the opinions. And that's why I think Dr. Fauci should be in the APUSH Wall of Fame. Thank you.